Well, it's been a minute since I seen my little raccoon friend. Let's see. Look at you, Fluffy. Anyone else coming? Oh, look, he's already out here eating. Fluffy. Raccoon. Here. You want some of this? Yeah. There. It's okay. It's a cookie. It's a cookie. Look at that. Yummy, yummy cookie. You're putting it in the water. Yeah, there's a lot of bugs out here. All right, Fluffy, don't get hit by a car. All right, there's a lot of bugs. Yeah. There's another cookie. What? Come on. Are you coming out? Your raccoon friend is out here. Look, he's just chilling. It's so hot. All right, you got some dog food, some crummies. Look, here's another cookie. Here, is this what you want? There you go. All right. See ya. No fighting. Okay. Yeah. That means you too, Snickers. No fighting. Y'all just get along. All right, thanks for watching. See ya, Raccoon. He's over there somewhere hiding. All right. There he is. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. Look at that. He's dipping it in the water. What a cute guy. All right, I'm getting bit up. It's been fun. That's a little nature video for you. See you in the next one, folks. Peace.